Cambodia recorded its first human case of bird flu in 2024 after detecting 2 severe cases nearly 2 months ago. More details from Anisa de Guzman.
3-year-old boy from southeast Cambodia became the first case of H5N1 human avian influenza this year. Health experts are investigating the source of the infection and are monitoring any suspected cases or people who have been in contact with the victim to prevent an outbreak, according to the health ministry. The young patient is currently receiving intensive care from a team of doctors after the boy was confirmed positive for the H5N1 bird flu virus. Investigators discovered that chickens and ducks had died in the village where he lives and near his house nearly 2 weeks ago. The bird flu outbreak has affected 23 countries in 2023. At least 90 laboratory-confirmed cases of human infection have been recorded in the Western Pacific region since 2014 by the World Health Organization.
Reporting for Newsline World, Anisa de Guzman, SMNI News.